How to add Islamic date to iPhone's lock screen. In order to add the Islamic date to your iPhone's lock screen over here, so what we'll do is first we'll open up settings and we will go to calendars option. So just look for the calendars option over here, or you can go to apps and we can search for calendar. Now under calendar, what you have to do is look for the option alternate calendars, and over here you can simply select Islamic. So let me go ahead and then search for Islamic over here. The Islamic calendar is referred as Hijri. So I don't know what this means, but it means Hijri over here. Just select that. Now once you've selected Islamic calendars and selected Hijri, now we will go to our lock screen and we will long press on it and we'll tap on it. If it shows up already, you can see it shows up the Ramadan and other dates, but I can tap on it over here, which is my lock screen. So I can select that, tap on customize, and I can tap on this and I can select the Islamic calendar over here. So if I want, I can also change the language by long pressing on it, and I can change this to other languages as well. So this way I can add the Islamic calendar on my lock screen on iPhone. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.